Union Test Prep's Graphic Literacy Practice Test for the WorkKeys exam. There will be a brief pause after answer choices are given. This is a great time to pause the video to solve. Question 1. According to the schedule, what time is Bob supposed to start work on Tuesday? A. 6 a.m. B. 8 a.m. C. 7 a.m. D. 9 a.m. E. 8 p.m. The correct answer is B. 8 a.m. To find the answer, locate Bob in the first column and follow the row across to the Tuesday column. The intersection shows 8 a.m. Question 2. In which quarter did the actual sales exceed the projected sales? A. Quarter 1. B. Quarter 2. C. Quarter 3. D. Quarter 4. E. None of the quarters. The correct answer is B. Quarter 2. Exceed means the actual value must be higher than the projected value. In quarter 2, the actual, 65, is higher than the projected, 60. Question 3. A technician inspects a part that has no scratches but is 0.08 millimeters off from the target measurement. Where should the part be sent? A. Inspection table. B. Scrap bin. C. Final packaging. D. Rework station. E. Not shown in chart. The correct answer is D. Rework station. Following the no path for scratches leads to measurement. Since 0.08 millimeters is greater than the 0.05 millimeter allowance, you follow the no path for measurement, which leads to the rework station. Question 4. Based on the information provided, what will be the daily energy cost for Press Y in June? A. $15. B. $10. C. $25. D. $15.50. E. $22.50. The correct answer is E. $22.50. To get the correct answer, you must synthesize data from both graphics. Table B shows Press Y uses 150 kilowatt hours. Graph A shows the June cost is 0.15 per kilowatt hour. 150 times 0.15 is equal to 22.50. Question 5. A forklift driver is told to pick up a pallet located in the northeast corner of the warehouse. According to the map, which zone is in the northeast corner? A. Corner A1. B. Corner A2. C. Corner B1. D. Corner B2. E. Loading dock. The correct answer is A. Corner A1. Using a standard compass rose, north is up, east is right. The top right corner is Zone A1. Question 6. If the total budget is $200,000, how much more money is spent on marketing than on R&D? A. $50,000. B. $30,000. C. $20,000. D. $10,000. E. $5,000. The correct answer is C. $20,000. Marketing is 25% or $50,000, and R&D is 15% or $30,000. The difference between them is $20,000. Question 7. A customer needs to ship a 15-pound package as quickly as possible. What is the shipping cost? A. $10. B. $20. C. $25. D. $45. E. $85. The correct answer is D. $45. Quickly as possible refers to express shipping. For a 15-pound package, the 11 to 20-pound row, the express cost is $45. Question 8. A pharmaceutical storage room must stay below 75 degrees Fahrenheit and between 30 to 50% humidity to keep medicine viable. Based on the graph, at what time did the room conditions first become unsafe for medicine storage? A. 0200 hours. B. 0800 hours. C. 1200 hours. D. 1600 hours. E. 2000 hours. The correct answer is B. 0800 hours. At 0800 hours, the humidity reached 55%, which exceeds the 50% limit. Question 9. A company plans to produce 100 units of Model Y in May. Based on the information provided in both graphics, what will be the total cost of the steel required for this production run? A. $40,000. B. $42,500. C. $72,000. D. $68,000. E. $90,000. The correct answer is C. $72,000. First, determine from the table that 100 units of Model Y require a total of 80 tons of steel, 100 times 0.8 tons per unit. Next, use the graph to identify the May price as $900 per ton. Finally, multiply the total tonnage by the monthly price to find the total cost. 80 tons times $900 a ton equals $72,000. Question 10. According to the chart, if machine A runs for 4 hours and machine B runs for 8 hours, how many hours must machine C run after machine A is shut down to reach the 5,000 unit target? A. 2 hours. B. 3 hours. C. 4 hours. D. 5 hours. E. 6 hours. The correct answer is B. 3 hours. Machine A produces 2,000 units, 4 hours times 500 units per hour, and machine B produces 2,400 units, 8 hours times 300 units per hour, totaling 4,400 units. Subtracting this from the 5,000 unit target leaves 600 units remaining. Since these units must be produced after machine A is turned off, machine C's reduced rate of 200 units per hour applies. Dividing the remaining 600 units by 200 units per hour results in 3 hours of operation for machine C. Looking for more study help? For free practice tests, study guides, and flashcards for the WorkKeys exam, check out uniontestprep.com/WorkKeys.